Hey there, Mike Watkins here from the Code Chase for Digital Marketing. You've heard of the $99 pressure washing guy, but have you heard of the $99 website guy for pressure washing companies? I'm sure you have. Don't even think about choosing that guy because guess what? That cheap website's going to cost you thousands in lost pressure washing jobs. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you why that is and exactly what a good pressure washing website needs to have to get leads and clients through the door and convert those leads and clients to actual jobs and revenue in your pressure washing business. So a lot of the problem with the $99 pressure washing website guy is that most of these websites are made with cookie cutter templates, right? These are not custom websites for your pressure washing business and really to meet your specific marketing needs. And I mean, you really can't make a specific website with just a $99 profit, right? I mean, they have to churn these websites for several different pressure washing companies very, very quickly. So it just really isn't a lot of specialization or really it's not tailored to your specific marketing needs at your pressure washing business and the types of clients and leads and services that you might offer that might be specific to your pressure washing business. And many times these websites have little to no SEO, right? So you buy these websites from these companies that are promising to do these websites for $99, no monthly fee or anything. Might be a digital marketing agency, might be off of Fiverr or Upwork. You're not going to have any SEO and you're not going to really rank at all when it comes to Google SEO. And that Google SEO is very important because why? That's where your consumers are, right? If you're not on Google and you're not ranking with SEO, you're basically invisible in your local area. So that's very, very important that you actually have Google SEO on that website. And most $99 pressure washing websites don't have any sort of long-term SEO. Also, these websites are not very mobile, optimized. Now, most websites these days are mobile optimized, but a lot of these aren't. They might not have it, and Google's not going to recommend your website. Neither is Facebook if it's not mobile optimized. So you need to make sure when you're talking to these $99 website guys that the website's somewhat mobile optimized. Most of the time, it's not. And they don't have any trust signals, any reviews, any photos, or any of your trust banners. They're just trying to kind of turn a website kind of fast. They don't really have time to kind of tailor it to your specific pressure washing needs. So I would really look out for that as well. And finally, you might say it looks good. It might be it might be a clean looking $99 website, but it doesn't convert. And that's really what matters. Your website needs to be the hub of your business. It needs to be exactly where all of your leads from Facebook ads, Google ads, organic or otherwise, come to convert. They learn about your company, they learn about what you offer, and there's plenty of calls to action all over that website, buttons, forms, pop-ups, the whole 9 yards that actually converts that lead live on that website. And unfortunately, most of the time, those $99 websites simply don't have the CTAs or the optimization to really convert those clients on those websites. And really, ultimately, that's why you shouldn't choose those $99 website providers. So let me show you exactly what your pressure washing website needs to actually convert leads so you don't fall in this $99 website guy trap. So this is an example of a website we actually made for our good friends over at Jax Pro Pressure Washing in Jacksonville, Florida. And you can see here, we have plenty of pop-ups to where even if they try to leave the tab, this pop-up comes up basically, asking for their information, their name, their email, their phone number, their city, zip code, and kind of what worker they need. And this all goes to the owner's text messages and email. And then AI actually automatically replies to this potential lead and actually gets them booked for a call, or job in their pressure washing business. And we've got plenty of calls to action. Get a fast free quote. The forms on the front page of the website. We've got get a quote up here. We've got plenty of buttons for them to actually go back to that pop-up, leaving their information. We've got plenty of pictures of their work, the whole 9 yards, right? And if your website doesn't at least at the bare minimum have plenty of buttons, plenty of forms, plenty of calls to action, like many $99 pressure washing websites, they don't have it, then you're not really going to be able to convert leads effectively on your website. And really, that's the whole point of your website, to actually convert these leads, get them turned into clients, and things like that. So really, if your website's not looking something similar to this, then you really don't need to buy any sort of $99 pressure washing website as well. And you need automations in your website as well, so you can get out of the day-to-day of lead generation too, right? That's very helpful in your pressure washing business. So You really need those things in your pressure washing website to really convert leads. This website's also very mobile optimized. So, Google's actually recommending his website when it comes to his Google ads, his Facebook ads, and things like that. This is a very mobile optimized website. And one thing I'll say is that your website shouldn't just sit there and look pretty. It actually needs to convert, right? So I'm talking a lot about converting leads in this video because so many people just don't get it. It might look good. It shouldn't just look good. It should be getting leads too. It should be doing some of the work for you, SEO wise, ads wise, things like that. You're actually popping up in your local area. And that's very, very important for your pressure washing business as well. So what is this really costing you? Let's just say you miss one $300 job a week because you chose this bad website. That's over $1,200 a month. Over a year, that's $14,000 gone because a $99 website couldn't convert. So like I said, just to recap all of this, if you couldn't get anything from this video, that is, you don't need a fancy website. You don't need anything, posh. You just need a website that's actually converting leads. That's all you need. You need a site that ranks, builds trust, and books jobs on autopilot. And that's what we do here at the Code Chasers. We build AI systems to basically get owners out of their pressure washing business, out of the lead gen, and get them back focused on the jobs, running a team, and actually managing the day-to-day of running and scaling their pressure washing empire. So if that sounds good to you, book a call with us, your free one-on-one discovery call with us here at the Code Chasers Digital Marketing. Go to thecodechasers.com/discovery call. That's thecodechasers.com/discovery call. Book a call with me. I'd love to sit down with you, learn about your pressure washing goals, and help you build and scale your pressure washing business to 6 figures, multiple 6 figures, 7 figures, and beyond. And also help you put in AI systems and automations in place to automate text messages, inbound phone calls, as well as follow-up in your pressure washing business as well. All right. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got some value from it. Just want to kind of input some knowledge in there and just kind of let you know what's going on. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.